Good evening. My name is Virginia Natasha Kevu from USB SI campus. In this short segment, I'll walk you through key historical and linguistic milestones related to the Nautangu language and its broader Austronesia context. As you can see on the section 1, where I capture the linguistic profile of the Nautangu language, Figure 1 is a map that has been reproduced from Emran RD 2009 on page 149 of one of the theses that has been written about the research has been conducted on the Nautangu language, and it has captured the speaking villages as of Nambalwe, Wemaunda, Nambwankailepi, and Nangu. These areas are where the Nautangu language has been spoken. And if you will look closely on the map, you will see that it is slightly spelled differently, but it's just the same language. As on the map, it's Naug, and another from the etymologue, it's spelled Natugu, even though it's slightly different in the way it is spelled, but it is just mean the same language. So that's for that. And section 1 on slide 2, it's the brief overview of the Nautangu language. So basically regarding the locations and the demographics, in terms of the region, the Tuamotu province, primarily West Santa Cruz Island and Gracias Bay, some presence on the north coast. The population is 5,650 speakers as of the 2019 census, with numbers steadily increasing. The language profile. The language family is deeply rooted in the Austronesia family, tracing through the Mayor, Polynesia, Oceanic, and Tuamotu in the Reef and Santa Cruz Island. The lingua franca is the Solomon Island Pidgin. Is widely spoken across communities. Official language English used more formally in education, government, and media. Usage and domains. Commonly used in homes, public events, ceremonies, formal and informal, and church gatherings. It is less frequently used in education, government, media, legal system. English is occasionally used when necessary. The language vitality. It is endangerment status, classified as developing, indicating active but limited institutional support. And beside these bullet points, it is specifically stated the referencing that I've cited the source from. And section 2, which is on the brief history, the early discovery by the Austronesian migration way back in the 1200 BC, and the early Lapita migration, and the first linguistic Coleridgean in 1855 to do the documentation of this language. And it is very interesting to note here that in the 21st century, when furthermore research has been done, it was revealed that the Nautangu language was recategorized as oceanic, belonging to the Austronesia language group, precisely to the reefs and Santa Cruz subgroup. So I would like to add on to this that this is quite fascinating to note that in the Nango village, some of the names of the places are languages, are words that are of the Reef Island language words. So I can relate that it is very true that this Nautangu language was obviously coming from the our language in the Reef Islands. And the last slide captures the referencing that I've cited, and I make some notes for this presentation. Thank you.